Let's go to ordered list. We are saying that the ordered list is used when we are making lists with each of the item having its own importance. So making colors of the rainbow, a list of colors of the rainbow. So let's head back. We are going to do that after the UL over here. Okay, so H1, because we are going to make a new header. Ordered list. Ordered list. Now let's add paragraph before we paste what we have copied. Alright. And we know that we said unordered list begins with UL tags. Ordered list begin with OL for ordered list. And we are going to create children in it. So the list items we are going to make, we said we are making colors for rainbow. Remember, red comes first. We break it, another list, and then orange. We break it, another list, LI, yellow. We break it, LI, Roy Jean, green. We break it, LI, and then blue. Alright, LI, blue, indigo, and then the last one, ouch, it should be out. The last one, LI, violet. Alright, so let's run it. Remember, you have to save first, and then you come over here. So far we've been able to do this looking the same way. Remember, we created this list border or in bold with H1 element. Okay, let's go to the last one, which is description. So description, we said we are going to make a description. We use it when dealing with let's say books, describing books where you need title, number of pages and the rest, but I'm going to describe a car. So I'll copy what I've already done to save time. And then H1 element, H1, what do we have here? Description list. Alright, so description list. Alright, let's come to the next line, paragraph, and then we paste what we have there. Let's break to the next line over and create description list. Opens with the tags DL, and then we create children list. It's quite different from the other ones because we are going to have to give it a description term or title. So DT, so let's say manufacturer, and then we are going to put the manufacturer or the name of the manufacturer under it. So it's going to be DD and not DT. So Audi, I don't know, I'm simply in love with vehicles made by Audi. Then we have another one. So we have the manufacturer and the name. We have to quote another heading for it. So DT, and then what are we going to write? Type. We write type. Okay, model. Obviously A4 is not my model. It's not my model. DD. So DD A4. Alright, then I can decide to add another DT, okay, another term here, and then I'll put the color over there, but I'm going to go straight away. I'm just going to create another description and then put color there, so black. Alright, so this is simply how to make lists in HTML. Let us recap or review the code. So remember, this one is just for the header, and then we have a paragraph. The actual deal comes in over here. We are saying when you are making a list, the list you make may either be or can either be ordered list, an ordered list, or description list. There are several others, but let's stick with these for now. So making ordered list, you open UL and then you make list items in it. When making ordered list, OL, then you make the list items in it, or you list the items. And for description, you begin with DL. Remember, you are going to have to give it a DT, the term or title, and then you put inside before the DD for the description. Alright guys, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.